Hi everyone, thanks for watching another video from Rising Phoenix Antiques. This is a time meter, aridyne 3500 medical air compressor system. So it's all self-contained. I will include photos of the interior cabinet areas where everything is, but the video of course is to show that it does indeed run. I don't know a ton about these pieces of equipment. It does obviously have an air outlet for an instrument there. It also has an air hose on the top with a flexible system and a quick connect, which I would assume is to tie into a larger air system to provide air for instruments throughout an office or whatever the case may be. But it is labeled, of course, tagged by the manufacturer. So anyways, we will turn this on and basically show you that she runs well and go from there. The nice thing about this thing is that the interior is completely insulated, so it's designed to be super quiet. It does have an hour gauge right here, as you can see, so it does have 12,692 hours almost on it. But we'll let this run for a minute. And it does have a gauge which reads wet air in the red, less than 50 psi, and then dry air in the green for over 50 psi. So let's see what we got here. I did put my little nozzle on here just to. Now obviously, you know, I don't know if people would be running dental instruments or whatnot off of this. It does have a filtration system inside to keep the air free from water. So it's pretty straightforward. It's on casters, so the cabinet rolls easy enough. You've got brackets, I assume, for winding a hose. The last safety test apparently was done in '09. According to that label. Has a handle on the top to roll it around. So I'm sure that there are, I would assume, adjustments to determine the level or quality of air as far as wet versus dry that you need. But that's about it. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask. Thanks for watching.